Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Salman, your English teacher from PMS ShEiKh campus. Students, in today's lecture, we have discussed a lot of things. So here is a summary. So students, the very first question which we have discussed today is find a sentence from the text having cause and effect. So in this question we have discussed and learn the cause and its effect. We know that everything has a cause. So because of cause everything happens. So we discussed that appearance of Qaid-e-Azam is a cause, and the effect is that all the crowds roared in one voice, Pakistan Zindabad. After that we have discussed question number 7, identify a sentence from the text expressing an opinion. So we know that whenever in a sentence the perhaps words happen, so it would be an opinion. So here it is that perhaps he was thinking of the millions of people who had become homeless when India and Pakistan became separate countries. Similarly, we discussed excitement, ideal, rarely, empire, waste, these words in a sentence, and we learned that how to make a sentence of these words. So it is a simple task. Onwards we discussed that what do you understand by the following phrases. So the cheers and tears of joy, far from worlds, all these are phrases. So we have learned their meanings, that what does this phrase mean. So a condition of extreme happiness and enthusiasm. Out of hell, far from well, out of hell, had become a nation, had achieved their own state. Enemy of today may be the friend of tomorrow. So it is crystal clear by its appearance, by the appearance of the sentence, that it means that by giving the hands of friendship, the worst enemy can become friends. So furthermore, we have learned about the question number E in vocabulary, that the meaning and part of speech of these words: ferocity, remind, determination, crowd, sober. Ferocity is a noun, remind is a verb, determination is a noun, crowd is a noun, and sober is an adjective, and meaning is you can see that on your screen. Furthermore, students, we already learned these words and their antonyms, that serious, weakness, harmony, violence, and delights, and their antonyms are trivial, infirm, strength, power, disharmony, violence, mildness, gentleness, dismay, gloom. So here is a portion of writing. So you are supposed to write it in your own words. I just have write it for your. So here it is. Qaid-e-Azam is a shining star in the history of Pakistan. He is my beloved personality. You can write by your own choice. This is your choice. That what is your ideal personality. So maybe it would be Qaid-e-Azam, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Shahid Afridi. Choice is your, students. You can write it by your own. But student, remember one thing, that you have to write the question, answer, paragraph comprehension, translation, all these you have to write it in your neat copies as you were writing it in the class. Thank you, students. Assalamu alaikum.